How to save video to files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once inside the app, you will see all your photos and videos. Now, select and open the video you want to save to files. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available for this video. Now, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. On this page, choose the location you want to save your file to. For example, on my iPhone. Then, choose the folder you want to save the video to from here. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner to confirm. The video is now saved to your chosen folder. Following these steps, you can easily save a video to files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.